DS diving here, December 19th at Gratitude. I'm going to do an after plate video. I tightened up this zinc right here on top of the out drive. It's the big plate. She's a little worn. She's definitely got a good bit of life left in her, but it looks like the furthest back towards the stern bolt is either not really grabbing very well or not holding flat. Maybe a washer or something could get it to hold, but there's still a little bit of movement in the zinc. But besides that, everything's looking good. Let's go take a look. Now I got a wire brush and you'll be able to see what's left in the zinc real well. DS. Excuse me. DS diving. Thank you.